Hi, welcome friends. Today my topic of discussion is MCQ with answer from the poem Strange Meeting by Wilfred Owen. This is the second video of the poem, but it is the first video of the MCQ on this poem. I will provide answers directly, without options, to save the time. Let's start with the question number 1. Question number 1. Strange Meeting is a poem that primarily focuses on which war? The answer is World War I. Question 2. Owen was a lieutenant, an officer in dash? Answer is Manchester Regiment of the British Army. Next. 3. After death, soldiers are no more enemy. Why? Answer. Death makes them equal. 4. German soldier was killed. When and by whom? Answer. Yesterday, by poet soldier. 5. T.S. Eliot described the poem as dash? Answer. A technical achievement of great originality and one of the most moving pieces of verse, inspired by the war. Next. 6. The dead man in Strange Meeting wants to dash? Answer. Tell the truth about war. 7. What is meant by clog their chariot wheels? Answer. Death in war and stopping of the progress of mankind. 8. How does the structure of Strange Meeting contribute to its meaning? Answer. Its blank verse reflects the solemnity of war. 9. Which poetic movement does Strange Meeting belong to? Answer. War poetry. 10. Upper ground means what? The answer is Earth. Number 11. The poem Strange Meeting suggests that the true cost of war is dash? Answer. Lives lost. War leads to suffering and destruction. War dehumanizes soldiers and ultimately leads to the loss of innocents. 12. What is the main theme of Strange Meeting? Answer. The horrors of war. Next. 13. What is the tone of Strange Meeting? Answer. Reflective and somber. 14. The speaker in the poem encounters a soldier who turns out to be his dash? The answer is enemy. Number 15. In the poem, what does the speaker learn from the soldier he encounters? Answer. The horrors of war. Next. 16. The soldier encountered in the poem reveals that the real enemy is dash? Answer. Death. 17. The soldier's voice in the poem is described as dash? Answer. Echoing and distant. 18. The title, Strange Meeting, implies that the encounter between the speaker and the soldier is dash? Answer. Unexpected and surprising. 19. The tone of the poem, Strange Meeting, can best be described as what? Answer. Melancholic and mournful. Next. 20. What does the dead man in Strange Meeting want to do at the very end? Answer. Sleep. Number 21. Unden years means what? Answer. Unfulfilled missions of the dead soldiers. 22. What does cess, tax, of war means? The answer is death. 23. The dead man in Strange Meeting says he used to possess dash? Answer. courage and wisdom. Next. 24. The narrator realized that he is in hell, by what? Answer. The dead smile of German soldier. 25. The soldier in Strange Meeting says, there is no cause to dash? Answer. Mourn. Next. 26. German soldier recognizes the English soldier. By what? Answer. By the frowning of the English soldier. 27. In Strange Meeting, what does the soldier see that leads him to believe he is in hell? Answer. The dead man's smile. 28. How does the poem reflect the idea of shared suffering? Answer. By showing the identical fates of both soldiers. Next. 29. In Strange Meeting, the dead man says, the dash is the truth of war. Answer. Pity. 30. World War I is compared with what? The answer is mythological war, fought by the Titans against the gods on Mount Olympus. 31. The repetition of the word strange throughout the poem emphasizes what? Answer. Alienation and isolation of the soldiers. Next. Number 32. What big surprise do we find out at the end of the poem? Answer. First speaker killed the second speaker. 33. Yet no dash reached. Dash? Answer is blood. There. 34. What does the line, for by my glee might many men have laughed, mean? Answer. He could have shared his happiness with others. Number 35. Down some dash which dash had groined? Answer. Profound dull tunnel. Titanic Wars. Next. 36. Who in this poem seems to be filled with regret? Answer. Speaker number 2. 37. According to speaker number 2, what has World War I done for future generations? Answer. Nothing good. Spoiled everything for them. 38. What is the role of war in the lives of the soldiers in Strange Meeting? Answer. It destroys their potential and humanity. Next. 39. With dash recognition in dash? Answer. Piteous. Fixed eyes. 40. Who are the war poets who thought initially that, in war, there is no glory? Answer. Siegfried Sassoon, Wilfred Owen. Next. 41. There is no dash. To dash? Answer. Cause. Mourn. Number 42. Who is the speaker in Strange Meeting? Answer. A dead soldier. Next. 43. When did the speaker realize that he was in hell? Answer. The speaker realized that the sullen hall he was standing in was nothing other than hell. 44. What is the effect of the dark and gloomy setting in the poem? Answer. The dark and gloomy setting contributes to the somber and haunting atmosphere, emphasizing the despair and hopelessness experienced by the soldiers. Number 45. How does the poem explore the concept of forgiveness? Answer. The poem explores the concept of forgiveness by presenting the encounter between the two soldiers as a moment of reconciliation and understanding, transcending the enmity of war. Friends, here is the end of the first video of the MCQ on strange meeting. Friends, next video is coming soon. Thank you. Hope to see you in the next video.